Being part of a family business really has a lot of meaning for me, from the aspect of getting to work with my dad and my sister every day, to really the patients that we have being an extension of our family. And even our employees, really our teams. We have people that have worked with us for years, people that I used to work for when I started off working here in high school. So it's getting to still work with them every day and see the impact that we have on their families really has been a rewarding part of being a family business.
When I started Lee Dental Centers, most of the dentistry in San Antonio was provided by a solo dentist office. By that I mean a dentist would open an office, be the only dentist in the office, and provide the dentistry through that one location. In the time of the 70s and 80s, medicine was evolving into more of a group practice type setting, where there'd be a group of physicians band together and have a group, or sometimes a corporately owned group. My thinking was dentistry would follow in that same direction, and I would rather have my own group and not have to be an employee of a group. So that's how we decided to have a group practice. We also decided to have multiple locations and network the city, where it'd be a lot more convenient for patients to come to different locations near where they worked or lived and not have to drive across town to go to one location.
Bandera is where I first started going, and then they opened up the Leon Springs location. The personal aspect about Lee Dental is definitely something that is appealing to me that I haven't received elsewhere. I do love some of the technology things that they've done, such as sending reminder texts. I'm a mother of 3, being busy. It's nice to remember appointments, and they help you out with that. They also will send emails to verify that your appointment went well, and they seem concerned about my visit, and I like that.
Relationships are a huge component, and I love getting to know my patients. I love getting to meet mom first, and then getting to see their kids, and then with time getting to see her husband, and getting to know the whole family, and seeing how they interact in the community, and just making connections with them. And I think by getting to know patients, it really helps to build the trust in dentistry.
Lee Dental Centers is the best place to go. I've never been to any other place that's taken more care of me and made me feel so welcome. The staff treats you like family. They know you by name, by first name, and overall genuinely care about your physical being and your family and how you're doing.
We're like family. I mean, we share things. I mean, I've watched Dr. Crystal and Dr. Powell grow up. I mean, they were little girls when I started working here, and it's all about family.
When my dad started Lee Dental Centers and had this pioneering vision of having multiple offices throughout the city, it really created a framework for my sister and I now to come in and create so much possibility for what we can do to impact the oral health of San Antonio. We have fantastic teams of general dentists, specialists, hygienists who work throughout the city with the same philosophy that we have of providing excellent care to families and creating a place where you can go for years and years.
I've been a patient now for over 30 years of Dr. Bob Lee, and now his daughter, Dr. Tanya Lee Crystal, who has followed on in Bob Lee's footsteps and doing a marvelous job on my teeth. I just recently had some work done, and very happy with that.
Being that I work with my family, I see patients as an extension of family, a part of an extended family. And being able to see them and interact with them and get to know their families is a huge opportunity and unique to our practice that we get to serve our patients under.